What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the not charging issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all check your charger and cable if it's working properly or not. You can check it by charging another phone. So if the charger and cable are not working, then change your charger, and after changing the charger, the charging issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue after changing your charger, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the charging issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after these solutions, then the last solution is enable fast charging. So to enable it, open settings. Now in settings, tap on battery. Now tap on additional features, and here you will see a speed up charging button on the top. So if this button is turned off, then turn it back on, and turning on this button will help you to fix the charging issue. So that's how you can fix the not charging issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.